Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. First of all, open your Facebook app. Click your profile picture in the top right of Facebook. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. Now on this page, right on top, let's go to Account Center and then click on Personal Details under Account Settings. Click Account Ownership and Control, and right on this page, you will see the activation or deletion. Choose the account or profile you want to delete. Select Delete Account. Click Continue, then follow the instructions to confirm. There you have it. Now you know how to permanently delete your Facebook account. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.